Why is the weather so hot in India from end April onwards? Have you started noticing how the temperatures have been soaring from April last year onwards, that is 2023? This year, the IMD has issued a notice or a yellow warning of hot and discomfort days in South Bengal with a heat wave like situation. Temperatures are above normal up to 2 to 3 degrees, with some temperatures soaring as close to as 40 degrees Celsius in different parts of southern Bengal. The extremes of weather condition affecting the warming decades as we are experiencing currently can be attributed to a number of reasons. Let us discuss each of them. The heat wave currently in 2024 has right now affected eastern India, Telangana, coastal Andhra Pradesh and parts of Karnataka, but it will be very soon when the entire Indian nation will be affected, especially northern India and western India. According to a report in The Hindu, in 2023, the emission of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has reached a new high. Changes in land use pattern, especially in the urban areas, create more and more of what we term as urban heat islands. Urban heat islands are created when the green space or green trees in cities become less and less, and they are replaced by concrete, tar, cement and such surfaces that reflect the heat instead of absorbing it. Thus, the temperature of the cities are much more than they are in greener spaces. So, these heat islands, they trap the heat and make the people who are living in these places more uncomfortable, and during the summer seasons these heat islands can act as death traps. According to an international committee of scientists, it is also said that El Nino could be one of the reasons why the temperatures are very high in 2024. El Nino is a warm sea current occurring offshore the coast of Peru. This sea current raises the temperature of the coastal areas, and in that case it also affects the temperature and the rainfall patterns of the entire globe. The El Nino affects the weather pattern all over the globe by affecting a system of climatic cycles, and not just the South American continent but as well as the Indian monsoons are mostly affected very badly by El Nino years, leading to drought-like conditions not just in other parts of the world as well as in India. So what we are experiencing currently is climate change, and to beat the heat we are advised to stay cool by using coolers, drinking water and so on. But will this truly help us in mitigating the disaster we are moving towards? Back at old and indigenous practices practiced by many of the local communities could be one of the solutions which could move or help us move towards greener environments and less impact of warming. We should be planting more and more trees, which we are always talking about, but we are not really doing so. Our governments should be framing more policies which are more environment friendly and not just going for rapid urbanization. In case of urbanization, government should also focus in creation of ample green spaces to reduce the impact of urban heat islands. What do you think? Do you think there are other reasons for the rise in the temperatures? And what are the measures that we can take to reduce such a phenomena? Let me know in the comments section what you feel. And to see such interesting videos on different topics of geography, follow my channel Geography Made Easy.